listening to me, say it after me. I am a spirit. I have a soul. I live in the body. Your spirit is Christ by virtue of being born again. Know you know that as many as been baptized into Christ has become one spirit with him. Can you say, the very God of peace, do what? Sanctify you wholly. So when they began to sanctify me, they first of all sanctified my spirit. What they call sanctification to my spirit is regeneration or new birth or being born again. That happened instantly. I pray, God, that your whole spirit, soul, and body be preserved. So the spirit has to be preserved blameless.